Hey guys, it's me T here. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy during this crazy time that we're all experiencing. Um, just want to come here at you to just do a quick little I think I'm gonna do it like a not a mini twist, like maybe medium-sized twist with my hair grease that I had featured in a previous video, and I'll put the link to that video right about here right now. And it's my blue Magic Indian Hemp grease. And I have not used this. I've only been using this for about 2 weeks now. I have not used it to do a twist out. So this will be my first time. So this is kind of like an experiment, I guess, type of thing. And so I'm going to be using this along with my Gold Series Curl Define Pudding. So I'm going to try the two together. I've never used either one of these two together. So this is, like I said, this is an experiment video. So hopefully everything goes well. But even if it doesn't, we wouldn't know unless we try, right? So my hair is freshly washed. I just did a deep condition. And I did with a rinse, hibiscus tea rinse, and then I did a deep condition. I did a hibiscus tea rinse video as well, so I'll link that also somewhere up here so you guys can check that video out if you're interested. And the hibiscus rinse is just basically if you're experiencing any shedding. The hibiscus rinse, tea rinse is such an amazing rinse. It completely cleared up my shedding within like 2 weeks. Maybe even less than 2 weeks, but approximately about 2 weeks. And I've seen a significant change in the less shedding in my hair. So I'm really happy about that. So it's been about 2 weeks since the last one I did. So I did it again today with a deep condition. So I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm just going to go ahead and get to the video. So I'm not going to go over the whole twisting format. You guys have probably seen several twisting videos. So I'm not going to bore you with sitting here and watching me twist my hair. So I'm just going to show you just a couple of parts of when I start the twisting process, show you the end when I do it, when I completely twist my entire head. And then I will show you guys the next day once I untwist it. So this is going to be like an experiment, not only for myself, but also for you watching this video to see how it's going to turn out. So let's keep our fingers crossed. And if you are new to my channel, of course, definitely welcome so much for checking out my channel, clicking on that link for my video. If you have not already done so, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for any upcoming videos from Hangwitht. You'll be notified of that as well. If you're an oldie but goodie, of course, as always, thanks for stopping by once again. And if you like this video, please click on that thumb button or that like button and let me know that you like this video. Other than that, I'll go ahead and start twisting. All right, let's get started. Bye. I'm just going to be using these two, my Indian Hemp Blue Magic Grease and my Curling Custard from the Gold Series. The Gold Series. What is it? Pantene Gold Series. Okay. So I'm going to start sectioning out now. So I'm just going to put, I guess I can put the cream first. I got my detangler here. And the other thing about the hibiscus tea rinse, oh my gosh, it has my hair so soft. But most importantly, not as much shedding as I had before. So I'm just going to go ahead now and apply the grease, which is what I'm doing now. Applying the grease on the ends as well. Got to get those ends moisturized and the scalp. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of that curling custard. Just brush this out again. And twist away. So hey guys, I am finally finished. It probably took me about 45 minutes. And so I got all the twists in. Looks nice and healthy and shiny, right? And I'll show you guys the side, the back, and the sides again, the other side. And that's it. So I just finished it. I'm just gonna air dry it. I will be dry. I may not show the unveiling until probably day 2 or day 3. Most likely probably day 3. So I'll see how that goes because I want to make sure that it's, you know, completely dry. Hi guys, so I am back. All right. So guys, I almost didn't do this video, you know, but I said, you know what? Things happen, life happens, and mistakes happen, okay? So I'm recording a video of me untwisting my hair, as you saw previously when I twisted my hair with the oil, with the grease, the Blue Magic grease and the Gold Series curling pudding. So when I did that, now it's been about 2 days later. Today is the second day since I did that earlier video. And I'm untwisting my hair and I'm talking to you guys and untwisting my hair and talking to you guys and untwisting my hair. And then after I untwist all of the twists that I had in my hair from the mini twist that I did, after doing all of that, I noticed that I wasn't recording. Yeah, exactly. I wasn't recording it at all. So this is pretty much the final product of my hair. One good thing out of this whole thing is that I love, 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 love the way my hair came out. This is the mini twist that I did, as you saw previously, earlier. And I mean, look at these curls, guys. Can you actually, look at that. And might I add, I did not add any oils while I untwisted my hair. No oils at all, just what I put in when it was wet. I didn't add any oils to my hands, anything to my hair. When you see a little bit of grease on my hand, that's probably from when I did this to my hair from the grease, because the grease is thick and it's very moisturizing. So I don't really have to do anything much, but look at how moisturized my hair look, guys. Look at that, how moisturized. And these curls are just popping from that mini twist. I love the way it came out. I did a stretch of it. I'm going to show you guys a picture of what it looked like somewhere around here before I stretched it. So I did stretch it for like just maybe 2 or 3 hours. It didn't stretch as much as I would like to. I probably stretch a little bit more. But I'll show you guys just how it looked before and when I stretched it. And I used the bands to stretch it. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a video with me how I stretch my hair. If so, just let me know, leave in the comment section below and I'll do a video on that as well. So yeah, I mean, oh, look at this. It is so pretty. The curls are so nice. And that's why I kind of like to do it small, my twist small sometimes, because the curls, like I said before, the curls will last a lot longer, but I like to do them sometimes a little bit of a medium to larger size because then it's more volume when I do it that way. But I like how it came out. So I'm going to show you guys the back. Let me just fluff it up a little bit because I do have that bald spot from, I don't know where it came from, but just a tad bit of it in the back a little bit, but it's not noticeable, thank God. So yeah, so I'm loving it. So that's the side, right? And I'm going to show you guys the back. Yeah, and this is the other side. I mean, oh my goodness, it's so pretty and it feels so soft and moisturized. I mean, guys, look at this, the curls that the mini twist left. It's so curly. Oh wow, look at that. Yep. So I am loving how it came out. Just gotta massage it a little bit, fluff it out. Yep, and that's it. So that is my I like how it came out with the grease versus when I did it with the oil. So it definitely came out better with the grease, the twist out. I may do one with a braid out to see how that one comes out as well. But overall, so far, I've been using this grease now for about 2 weeks, and I absolutely, absolutely love it. My hair definitely agrees and loves this grease as well. I see a significant change in how my hair reacts to the grease versus the oils, and I don't know why it took me so long to switch to grease. I don't know. My mom had been telling me, switch to grease, try the grease. And I was just like, nah, whatever. I just stick with my oils because that's all I've ever used since I became a natural. And it was working, but it stopped. So now I'm switching to grease back, using the grease again. And I love the results. I love the results of my twist out. It came out so beautiful, so moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. My hair doesn't feel dry. It's been working. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.